Where were you yesterday when I called you?
I called you not once, not even twice. I think up to 6 times. Yet, you didn't take my calls.
But I returned your calls.
You only returned my calls at night when you had finished frolicking with your girl.
My girl? The girl you gave to me or what?
You think this is funny? Aaron,
What?
where were you yesterday when I called you?
Oh, I was with Ayo.
Ayo?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Who is Ayo?
Ayo is my friend's fiancé.
Aaron.
What?
Aaron. You know what you're doing.
Sarah, I know I flirt around, but recently I'm trying to be a good person, a nice person. I have given you the answers that you seek, and yet you won't believe me. See, you can choose to believe whatever you want to believe. I really don't care.
Really?
I can't believe that you called me and you sent me a text to come and see you, and the next thing you are accusing me wrongly. For what exactly?
Oh, I see what you're trying to do. Attack, the best form of defense, right? Now you want to turn this on me.
I am not trying to turn anything against you. I've told you the whole truth, and yeah, you're trying to accuse me wrongly. I don't like it. Don't do that next time, okay?
Aaron, if you leave, I promise I won't take your calls ever again. Fine. It's obvious this is a new style. A man does something wrong. He turns it on the woman and tries to attack. And that's their best form of defense. Or you know what? I don't give a damn. Go to hell for all I care.
Yes, Johnson, are you done with the laundry? Okay, I'm on my way to your shop. All right. Is that not that? No, this guy cannot toy with her feelings. Hey, do you remember me? You are the disgruntled element that embarrassed me in front of those guests the other day, right?
Yes. And you see, guys like you should be put in their place and be taught how not to toy around with ladies.
Mr. Man.
Yes.
Learn not to involve yourself in a matter that does not concern you. It's a piece of an advice.
Look, let's get it clear. You see that girl, Dorothy? She's a friend. And I do not want guys like you around her.
You're mad. You have totally lost your sanity. You need a serious medical attention. In fact, you have to visit a psychiatric home. You have lost it all.
You can say all you want to say, but stay away from her.
Mr. Man, I will not. In fact, my plan is to use and dump her. Now that you have known my mission, Oga, do your worst.
Really?
Yes.
What is going on here? Ikene, what is going on here?
This guy is a psycho. He has totally lost his sanity. You need urgent attention in a psychiatric home. How dare you? How?
Ikene, stop!
How dare you raise your filthy hands on me?
Stop
Have
it.
you lost your manners?
Stop it!
Get out of my sight!
Ikene, stop it! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Listen, be careful of this guy. You're warned.
I'm sorry! It's like, Ikene, see what you've caused!
Shut up! Shut up!
Why will you do this? And why will you tell him that you want to use me and dump me? Why?
That was what I wanted. That needs to wait. That good for nothing houseboy had the guts to punch me on my face the day he saw me with Linda and Sarah. What gave him the guts?
Ekene, I know him very well. You will not just pass by and punch you on your face for no reason, okay?
There's something I want to understand. On whose side are you? Me or him?
I'm on a fair ground, and that is what it is.
let me even ask you, who the hell is that guy to you? Because the last time I checked, you didn't introduce me to anybody. So who the hell is it to you?
Ekene, that guy is my boss!
Is what?
Yes, he's my boss, Ekene.
Your boss? You should have told me earlier before now. Let me give him triple punch on his face.
What are you saying? What is wrong with you, Ekene? In fact, I'm out of here.
Come on, come and pick this water. Right now. Pick it!
I'm out of here. I can't take this. You're going to go and fight with my boss.
You're lucky today.
Boss!
Okay?
I wanted to get something for me, but Sarah is not even picking my calls. I don't know if I don't know the word that girl came out from. But let me try her line.
Now what you supposed to try him again? You go. You go. Maybe na network.
She's not picking my calls. Someone is knocking. Who's that?
It is specific. Machi. Who be that? Oga, give PC with the gates. You see name na Ekene. I don't know.
Open the gates.
Okay, I should open the gates. Okay.
Aaron.
Ekene Dilichuku!
Aaron!
Hey, come here! I'm good. How are you? My God, I sent you an address the last time. You refused to come.
My brother, something came up that day. No, please, no.
It's okay. It's all right.
Even woman observe something. Now your house be this.
Come, let's go inside.
Wait, now you get this house.
Can we just go inside? Come.
Aaron!
Look this. You're welcome. Calm down.
This guy punched me on my face yesterday.
What?
Yes. What are you doing here? My brother. You think I'm joking? What the hell are you doing in my house?
Please calm down. Lower your voice. We can settle this amicably, please.
My brother, you should have been calm and patient enough to ask me who Dorothy is to me. Can you imagine?
Calm down. Let's settle it.
Now, let me tell you why I was not calm. The other day I saw you harassing ladies. This guy is a bad guy. I was only protecting my staff. Listen, who no go understand what I did go through. Just calm, take a chill pill.
Is this guy sane?
Hey, Efe, this is my cousin, Dorothy's immediate elder brother.
Are you surprised? Yes, I am Dorothy's elder brother. I am sorry if I overreacted the other day to you. Please, don't get mad at me.
I don't even know what to say. Really?
Yes.
Sarah, what's up? How far now? When did you return? It's been 2 hours now. So, how did he go? I didn't meet her. I didn't meet her at the shop. They said she had an urgent call and she had to travel urgently for something. But they gave me a number to reach out to her. I decided not to talk to her over the phone though. Did not reach her. I did, but she told me she'll be back in 3 days. So I just thought, why not wait for her to get back, then we'll talk about it. So I didn't tell her anything. Besides, I feel this is a conversation we should have one-on-one in person.
That's okay. But do you really believe he had something with her?
Honestly, I can't say. Because he wasn't caught in the act. So,
then forget it.
Forget what?
I just feel you should ignore this whole thing. Just like my case, I would have ruined my relationship with Ekene if he didn't love me. Let it go.
Get the hell out of the road! Look at you. Hello? Guy, where you keep your phone? I'll be calling you. Yes, now I wanted to tell you that I will be coming. I'm already on my way. Okay, see you soon. I hope you have something at home for me to eat. Are you serious? I can't wait to eat her food. See, look, she's always coming when I'm not around. You understand? But look, you see me now. I can't just wait. All right, man.
I'm here now. Yes.
Look, I want us to talk.
Alright. I want us to talk too.
Okay. You go first.
Efe, you're my friend. I know I have done abominable things to you. I've offended you in the past. And I simply don't want you to get back at me just because I slept with Ella and the Calabar girl you brought to this house. Maybe that's why you refused giving me the 2 million for the business. I'm really sorry. Please, forgive me. CFA, you're my friend. Our friendship is so separable. We've known each other way back. Just imagine an Igbo guy like me and you, Wari Pikin, coming together to form a strong bond of friendship. To the extent that people outside think we are blood related. Isn't that something for you to think twice before doing anything crazy? We're friends, like I said. Please, find it to your heart to forgive me. I am truly sorry. And secondly, I met Ella. And she wants to reconnect with you. She's afraid meeting you and pleaded that I help her to talk to you.
Ella, though I met her at the beauty a few days ago, before I saw her here the other day.
Oh.
I have forgiven her actually. Yes. But we cannot be together again.
I understand. I know I even told her that you have a new girlfriend now. That friendship cannot work again. a girl you love so much. But bro, come on. Just connect with her as friends. Pick her calls. Relate to her as friends. Nothing more. And as for the money I requested for, whenever you wish to give it to me, there's no problem. Anytime.
Aaron, look, you're my brother, like you said. You have come a long way. I want you to know that I am not upset with you. Right? After all, you made me realize that these girls are not wife material. They're gold diggers. As for Ella, I will maintain friendship with her.
Okay.
Yes. And if I discover that she has an ulterior motive, I'll cut her off completely.
Fair enough.
I know. Now, this is the reason I called you. You remember the meeting I told you about?
Yes.
It was successful.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Yeah, I signed the contract as the only distributor in Nigeria to one of those new phone companies in China.
Are you serious? Wow. Congratulations.
It's as big as that, you know.
Congrats.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
And now I want you to choose between that 2 million naira and managing this new business.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, I'll give you time to think about it.
No. You don't have to give me any time. I'm giving you a reply right now.
Okay.
Leave the 2 million. Just cue me into the business. The full business.
Igbo man. You made the right choice, you know.
I think this calls for celebration. So let's do a low-key celebration. I'll just rush inside now, get a champagne so we can have one.
Look, I have a lot to do, and tomorrow a lot on my table too.
See, I have a lot to do tomorrow. I'll be going out with Sarah. Okay? But let's just drink minimal.
No.
We won't get high now.
It's a no. No. You're going out on a date.
Okay. Thanks for forgiving me. I'm really sorry. I mean, got us back. Thank you.
My man.
Now. The music is too loud.
What is this?
Babe, what's up? What did they happen?
Babe!
The music is too loud.
So?
You know where they hear them? It's like
Guess what? Just guess what? In fact, you know what?
Please
Please celebrate with me. Just drink it. Yes. Tell me congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
What
did happen?
Babe, guess what?
What?
Yes. Aaron called me.
Mm-hmm.
He told me that I'm going to be the general secretary of a big phone company in Nigeria, and he will be in charge of it. Like seriously.
Oh my goodness, babe, I'm happy. Wait. How did this happen?
I just told you. You know what? The phone company is coming from China or something. I don't care, but yours truly is general secretary. That's what counts.
This calls for
celebration. Yes. Listen to you.
Maybe you should try his second line or something. I believe you get through him.
I don't even have another number belonging to him. It's just this one. I'm trying to send him SMS. Whenever the phone comes up, you'll see it.
It's getting late.
I've been trying your number now. How are you? I'll be calling you now. What happened to your line? I hope the car is in town. Good. Use this for your transport, eh?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
I think the car is okay.
Everything is okay.
Perfect.
Aaron, I want you to keep this car. From now onward, it belongs to you.
I don't understand. Are you joking?
This car is yours now.
This car is mine.
It's yours.
No, stop joking now. Stop.
I look like I'm joking.
My goodness.
This car belongs to you now.
I'm a car owner.
You're a car owner.
Oh my goodness. What? Open the car. Open it. I want to push. Open it.
Open it. Hold on. Wait, see what excitement is making you do. See how to open it. See.
My darling, that's it all. I have to cancel one appointment for the most important one.
But this isn't right. What if you end up losing both of them?
Lose? I don't lose. But in this case, I'll lose one, just one. And that will be Titanic.
What? Is that someone's name?
The other guy's name is Titanic. Why the other one is Aaron, my boyfriend.
I've never heard such a name before.
Well,
did you give it to him?
Well, now you have it. You can as well add it to your dictionary. You learned a new thing from me today.
Okay, that's all I can say.
Aww, your concern is striking. I didn't know you cared about me this much.
Okay, so who cares about you?
You, of course, obviously.
On a serious note, I am saying this from a place of concern. Because I was once there. I once dated this guy. He was caring, loving. We had a smooth relationship. It was going so well until I got distracted by his best friend who, showed more concern. And then I had fun dating the two of them until the said guy caught me with his best friend, Aaron.
Oh,
it's not funny.
That's really sad.
Yeah.
But my Aaron is such a nice guy. I mean, he's good looking, sexy, really nice. Of late, he did something that really angered me and almost made me lose my trust in him. But then again, he apologized to me. And I saw how genuine he was. And I forgave him.
Man, did they truly repent?
But wait, let me ask you this. Your guy, when he caught you with his friend, did he break your head?
I know you're going to miss me, yeah? Okay, don't miss me too much, okay? and one last thing. Make sure you call me before you leave. Come here.
Have a blessed day at work.
You too.
Hey.
What's for?
If he's gone.
And so?
Let's have a quick one.
Hey, stop this, Ella, please. See, we need to put an end to this, right? I'm even regretting falling for you.
I don't regret a thing. I mean, how can I see such handsomeness and look away? Hmm?
See, listen. Can you not... Don't you... Leave me alone. Don't touch me, alright? Ife is my friend. Not just my friend. My best friend, alright? And if he finds out we're having a thing, I'm very sure you know the result already. It's not going to be funny, right? This is the same thing Eno did. I want her. I told you about Eno, right? She made the same mistake. And at the end of the day, it cost her her relationship with Ife. Please, I beg you. I wouldn't want to be the reason why you're losing Ife. I wouldn't want to be blamed when it happens. So please, leave me alone.
Hey, Ife is never going to find out. Ife is too work conscious. Can you imagine? We slept the whole night and he did not touch me. I mean, who would have all of this lying beside him on his bed without him wanting to devour me? Imagine that. He was just on the phone with his business associates, pressing his phone and all those work stuff. Please, I want.
Can you talk without touching me, please? If we have to talk with his customers, his clients, alright? That is where he is at the position that he is today. He's working so hard. So please, excuse me.
Hey! You think you're going?
No.
Are you acting as if this is the first time?
Can you... Oh, shh. No. Stop. Oh. Stop now. Stop. Hey. Stop.
Relax, why are you acting like a virgin?
Hey. What you say now? Oh my God. Shit.
No. Okay, can the part 2 continue now that I'm here? I want to watch.
Can you imagine your friend? He was trying to rape me. He was trying to rape me.
Everything. I was standing by the door. I heard all the conversations. Oh, you thought I had left? I stopped at the gate. I came back because I forgot my laptop, and that was the reason I was calling your line. You were not picking. Obviously, I can see why you were not picking your phone. Huh?
Wait. You said I wanted to rape your butt. I don't understand. You see what I've been telling you since? I've been telling you how.
Can you even shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth, Aaron. I am disappointed in you.
Ife, please. I am so sorry for what happened. I can't even look at you, at your face. Please, I regret every of my actions. Everything I've done to you, please, I'm sorry.
If you come close.
Please, I am sorry. I beg you. I don't know what came over me. I'm not like that. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I beg you.
Listen, I don't want to return from my trip and meet you in this house. Get your things and leave. Aaron, you will hear from me.
What do I do now? Please stop.
Are you mad? Look at you. I tried raping you are you serious right now? Is that your best defense?
Please help me talk to him. I beg you, help me talk to him,
Go
please.
punish you. Nonsense. This is what you cost.
That was it though. And this guy has refused to take my calls till date.
Oh, that's really sad.
Don't worry. I would probably go with you to his place, at least to intercede on your behalf.
There's no need for that. He has a new girlfriend now. He has moved on.
Oh. Well, but babe, wait. Let's even treat this matter squarely. You messed up big time. Yes, babe, you fuck up. Huh? You didn't do this thing well now. You won't play this kind of game. You don't know how to dilly-dally your way. You need to learn these things. You messed up big time. You should have played it according to book.
Sarah.
At least you won't lose
Sarah,
out
that's
at this
enough.
point.
That's enough. I didn't explain myself so you judge me. Don't even make me remember the past. I've moved on with my life. I'm just hoping to meet someone better.
No one is judging you. But as a friend, I should be able to tell you the truth when it's necessary.
I don't want.
Then you should have told me at all if you didn't want to hear the truth. I will always say the truth. You messed up. But then again, since you said you've moved on, that's cool. I mean, I hope you meet a better guy than your ex.
Amen.
Aaron will be waiting for me and I have to go like right now. Okay?
I'll come with you.
So, haven't you heard the saying, three is a crowd? So you want to come in between two lovers? Babe, now what for you?
Babe,
this is 2020.
Stop.
Stop, Guinea.
Okay. If you don't want me to come, it's fine. I'll stay. But it's not like I wanted to come share a seat with you guys. I just want to step out.
Now you're beginning to guilt trip me. You know what? You can come with us, fine. But after the introductions, make sure you just cram. I mean, sit at the far end corner.
Please.
Do you understand me?
Let's go.
My phone is vibrating. Who is this one? My Titanic.
Oh, okay. Pick up then.
Hey, baby. My Titanic. My love. I'm so sorry. I'll not be able to make it. I'm fine. I forgot to tell you. After we spoke earlier, I got an urgent call. Yes, I was told my brother was hospitalized. As I speak with you, I need 1.5 million naira for his operation. I don't even know what to do. It's been crazy. Like, I've been running up and down. I'm frustrated. I'm just confused. I don't know where to even start from. I don't know. My heart breaks. I couldn't even recognize my brother. What? I should send you my account number? Titanic. My sweet love. My darling love, Titanic. If you actually do this for me, I promise you, I'll forever be grateful to you all my life. Yes. I'll send you the account number right away. Thank you. Thank you. Babe! My Titanic is sending me a whopping 1.5 million naira.
I heard that, babe. I heard it.
Yes. Hey!
Why did you have to lie that your brother is ill? Are you wishing any of your brothers that?
The last time I checked, my parents gave birth to 3 children and they're all girls. Chop, time is going. Aaron will be waiting for me. Let's go. Why I send my account number to my Titanic. Go. Yes, I am sending it.
All these girls, them don't wise. Them they act like they don't hide. Who is real and who is fake? And who's to be trusted? When they say I love you, maybe they mean something else. So where is the woman who will be so real to the core? I don't search it tire, but I go still search it they go. Maybe just one day I will find a genuine.
Hi, babe.
Wait. Turn around. Oh my God. You are looking so beautiful and
Thank
sexy.
Thank you.
What about your friend? You told me you're coming with her.
Well, on our way, yeah, she got a very urgent call. They asked her to supply some wigs to one salon like that, so she had to go.
Okay. Now you're here.
Yes.
I'm done. So let's go.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, sorry, I need to. Oh my God, this is not happening.
What is it?
I just received the sum of 1.5 million naira from Titanic. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yes.
Sarah, you need to refund this money.
Why?
Because we don't need it.
What do you mean we don't need it? Yes, I know I deceived him to take the money, for my brother's operation. But then again, of course, we need the money for at least for us to start up something. What are you saying?
I said we don't need the money and you need to refund it as soon as possible.
Why? I won't refund it. Why would I? Why are you talking like this? I mean, you used to support me in stuffs like this. Why this sudden change?
That was then, okay? You need to refund this money as soon as possible, right? And make your stand clear to him that you are in love with me now and not him.
Of course, darling. I'll break up with him, but no, I will not refund this money.
If it happens, don't call me.
Don't worry. I wouldn't even tell you anything. Sorry, he keeps calling. Let me just take his call. Hello, Titanic. Thank you so much for the money. You are a lifesaver. As I speak with you, I'm just going to deposit the money, so that they can commence my brother's operation.
That is good. So when are you coming back from me?
What's going on? Titanic's voice seemed to be echoing from here.
Titanic's voice echoing from here? Come on, there's no Titanic anywhere. The only person living here is my friend, Efe. Yes. My friend, Worry Pekin.
What? Why did you tell me that? Worry Pekin is the same person as Efe. Your friend,
What's going on here? You guys know each other?
Of course. I'm the same Titanic that she's been telling you about. The one that just sent her 1.5 million naira for her fake brother's operation. To think that I just finished sending that money now from the kitchen, which of course I'm going to get back right now. Ayo or Sarah, what should I even call you? This is your Benin. My house is your Benin. The first time I met Sarah was the day I came back from Wari. She was standing in front of the duplex close to our compound. She told me a friend dropped her off, a female friend, after an argument, and that she has called a capped man. I volunteered to assist her that day. Hey, beautiful. I am Efe from Dera State. Consider yourself in a safe hands.
Oh, that's okay.
What's your name?
Ayo.
Ayo. That's a beautiful name for a beautiful damsel. That means my joy has come. Like Ayomide, right?
Yes, that's correct. Tell me, are you Yoruba? Because it's like you understand the language.
No, not really. I'm not a Yoruba man. I just have few business associates from Yoruba land. I learned one or two from them,
That's interesting. Man, you're quite nice and humble.
Thank you. Thank you. And you too, you have a beautiful smile.
Oh, please. Come on. You're just trying to flatter me now.
No, I'm not kidding. Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have a man? Do you have a guy?
Well, no for now.
Wow. Why would a beautiful damsel like you be single?
Come on, do not get me wrong. I mean, I have guys coming around me. It's just that I'm trying to be careful, you know, so I do not fall into the wrong hands.
I like
That's
that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Thank God you've been careful. Otherwise, I would not have seen you today.
Very funny. That's okay. Nice to meet you there. Tell me, do you have a girlfriend?
If I say, you will not believe.
Try me.
No, I don't have. We broke up a few months ago.
Whoa. What happened?
Let's say that is a story for another day. Let me take you wherever you're going. Please. Come here. Come.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes. You know, I dropped her at the mall, the Odili shopping mall, where you saw that that girl, that Ayo. You know, I was with her inside the car. Before she came down, I talked to her. I told her how I felt about her. She didn't even argue. She accepted. We exchanged contact. Then she came down and then I zoomed off. Wow. You know, and now I know maybe that day that I met her, she just came away from our compound.
Yes, I remember that fateful day. I didn't see her off to the gate. Yes. But I know for sure that someone is in love with her, according to what she told me. And she told me she loved to address the guy as Titanic. She didn't mention your name. I didn't know you're the one in question. I didn't know your name is Titanic, because I know you as Efe. See, I've always told her the truth to open up to you. Tell you the truth, I told her to refund your money and also clear her stand, her position in your life, that she's in love with me and not you.
Aaron, I heard everything. You don't have to justify yourself or explain things. I heard everything, okay?
But I thought this Ayo of a girl is the girl you bought those goods for.
Of course not. I bought those items for her. That Ayo is a sales girl to the woman who owns the shop where a small space was given to Sarah to use. Yes. Sarah told the girl to accept the items on her behalf. Yes, though her name is Ayo also. She just helps Sarah whenever she's not around.
Honestly, I'm short of words. I don't know what to say.
Sarah, I want you to do me just this favor. I want you to send me back my money to this account I am sending to you now. I just sent it.
I've gotten it. But I'm sorry for everything. I like to plead with you, so I can send back 500,000 and use the remaining one to start up a business.
Can you shut up? What kind of a person are you? You want to keep 1 million? 1 million you did not work for. Aaron, did you hear that?
That's fine. I just returned the money to you. Thank you.
Beautiful. Good. Can you quietly leave my house?
Wow, this is unbelievable. You mean your guy Aaron and the other guy you met a few weeks ago are friends and they live in the same apartment?
I swear. See, I know Aaron has told me a lot of things about his friend. That his friend is a very busy person. That
he travels a lot and he doesn't joke with his job. The truth is, there's not even a single frame of his in that house for me to even know that, he's the same person that Aaron has been talking about.
Where did you two normally meet?
Apart from the first time we met close to his apartment, the second time it was just an outing. And when I told him to take me to his apartment, he insisted later. I guess he was just trying to understand me. Yeah, I am sure. There are times he calls for us to meet up. The problem is it usually falls on the same time I have an appointment with Aaron. You remember that day we had a little issue with Ekene, your guy now, and the guy came to save us?
Yeah, the guy that pushed him.
Yes, that was Effie. I lied I was out of town.
Yes, hello.
Babe. Yeah, I'm good. Do you want us to see? Oh, it's quite unfortunate I cannot make it.
Why? Are you busy?
No, I can't see you right now. The thing is, I am not in town. I traveled to my village.
Babe, we were together yesterday. You didn't tell me we were traveling.
Yes, after I left you yesterday, my mom called me to tell me that my presence is needed at a family meeting. As I speak with you, I'm in my village right now because I left immediately. I left to the village immediately I saw you.
It's alright. I'll see you when you come back.
Oh, baby, that's so nice of you. Thank you for your understanding. You're a wonderful person. And I love you. My baby, my love. I love you so much. Bye-bye, my love.
Bye.
I guess that's the reason after he hit Ekene, he left angrily without talking to me.
Now the picture is clear. His real name is Efe after all.
Yeah, I only just saved his contact with Titanic.
See as things just they cast now.
But it's not my fault if you really look at it critically. If at least he had even put his frame in that house, there's no way I wouldn't have known. At least it would dawn on me that the same worry picking that Aaron has been talking about is Efe.
Sarah, I would suggest you give him time. Then you go apologize to him.
Apologize to who?
The Efe guy now.
No. Besides, I don't even love him. If I was asked to choose, once again, I would still choose Aaron.
Why Aaron?
Because Aaron cares. He's kind-hearted, he has time, he knows how to treat a lady. Unlike his friend who is always busy chasing after money. I mean, the few times we've actually met, I didn't feel anything. There was no connection. None at all.
So you fell for the Efe guy because of his money?
I won't lie. Yes, I did. But the truth is, even the money he gave to me, I wanted it to give it to Aaron to add up to what he had already saved to start up his business.
I can see you really love Aaron.
Yes, I do. But I lost him.
Come in.
Aaron, I have thought about everything. All the drama that happened today. many times we were always talking about Sarah. And I was talking about Ayo, not knowing that it's the same person. It's crazy. I have come to realize that Ayo, Sarah, loves you more. And I know you love her too. We didn't really have something deep. She can attest to it. You know, today she was so confused, not knowing what to do. I want to tell you this as a brother. I think Sarah will make a perfect match for you. Just think about it.
Wait. I think you need a woman in your life more than I do. You are such a busy man. Because of your tight schedule, walking up and down, you actually need a woman. And if I may suggest, I'd rather go for my cousin, because she's the only one I see that can fit into that shoe.
Good night, boy.
Good night.
Good morning, sir.
That was a good morning. How are you?
Super good, sir.
I hope your trip was not stressful.
Yes, at least I was able to achieve what I traveled for.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you. Where is he?
Where is who?
Aaron, my brother. He called it this morning that I should come to the house, that he would like us to discuss something very important. So I was curious. That is why I had to come.
Dorothy, I'm actually the one who wanted to see you. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
There is this contract from KOK company.
Okay.
Yes, I want you to look at that file for me. It's important, okay? Yes.
What is this?
Dorothy, look, of all the ladies I have met and observed, there is no one who understands me as much as you do. You are caring. You are lovable. You are kind. Dorothy, you are hardworking. I have come to realize that there is no other woman I need in my life now apart from you. And that is why I called you. Marry me, Dorothy.
What are you doing, Ife?
Dorothy, believe what I am doing.
Please, Ife. Just take your time and think about this over and over again, because...
Look, I have thought about this a countless times. I want you to spend the rest of your life with me. Be my wife, please. Please.
Ife.
Yes.
I know that I don't deserve you or deserve this.
One thing I'm going to let you know for sure is that I am going to make you proud as your woman.
So, this is a yes?
Yes.
Wow! Come here. You're so fine. Come here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Can you just allow me be? Please. I'm not in the mood.
I'm the one.
Vero.
Yeah.
What? Sit.
I'm not here for that, please.
Then why are you here?
See. I'm sorry for what transpired in my house the last time you came. I'm really sorry. I know you have genuine intentions for me. Genuine love. I see your sacrifice to make me a better person. To put food on my table. Give me something to start business with. There's only someone that loves you dearly that can go that far. I'm truly sorry for every of the inconveniences caused. See, don't allow what happened to ruin the friendship we've built over the years. Please, I beg you. Forgive us. Forgive him. Forgive me. I'm truly sorry.
Fine. Truth is, I knew you would come. I mean, I had a feeling last night.
Are you serious? You must be a witch. Oh.
A good witch.
Come here. Oh.
All these girls, them don't wise. Them they act like they don't hide. Who is real and who is fake? And who's to be trusted? When they say I love you, maybe they mean something else. So where is the woman who will be so real to the core? I don't search it tire, but I could still search it they go. Maybe just one day I will find a genuine woman. It's so difficult to find someone who can love you genuinely without playing games. It's so difficult to find someone who can be an open book without playing games. It's so difficult.